Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and you are looking at the Kingston HyperX Cloud Core Gaming Headset box. And we are going to take a look at what's inside. Let's dive right in. The moment you open the box, you are greeted with the headset. It comes with leatherette headband and memory foam ear pads. It has a closed ear cup design. It is quite chunky. If you are a fan of chunky headsets, then you should check them out. Having said that, it's not the largest headset out there. One thing is apparent, it is quite sturdy. That's because of the aluminum frame. No plastic frames that break after 2 months, and yes, the ear pads are very comfortable. The headset has a meter-long 3.5mm cable along with a 2-meter-long extension cable that comes with two 3.5mm jacks, one for audio and one for microphone. So if you are going to use it with a PC and your PC is not very close to your setup, the extra cables help. But if you plan on using the headset with your PS4 or Xbox One, then know that you can connect it to your controller's headphone port for a personalized gaming experience. And of course, there is the microphone. It is detachable. So when playing online, you can chat with your friends, and when listening to music, watching movies, or if you prefer solo gaming, then you can remove it for a more ergonomic headphones experience. What is missing sadly is a pouch or carrying case. That is a real bummer for professionals or those who travel a lot. Carrying it without a case or pouch will increase the chances of damages. You should probably think about investing in a pouch separately. Carrying the box around is not feasible. So there you have it. That was a quick look at what you can find in the HyperX Cloud Core headset box. Thanks for watching.